Try to time a right knee to stop Ulu's takedown. Here we go, River. Southpaw stance, blue corner. Ulu, orthodox stand, red corner. So far, good look from River, feinting that. Ulu pressing forward, trying to unleash a combo to the head. Clinch game, pummeling, fighting their way to get underhooks. River denies the clinch. He wants to strike. Nice right hand there from Ulu Street. Trying to get a knee peck. Still clinching River, trying to deny the clinch, while Ulu here trying to press River. Very good look for the judge for Ulu. Level change, and he gets the first takedown. That first takedown surely giving a confidence boost for Ulu, knowing he will have a plan B if the striking side is outmatched by River. Nice leg kick by River, I like it. And when both fighters are on mirror stance like that, I mean one southpaw.
Мой О менен 10 миллион сомуту ал. Жөн гана QR код аркылуу төлө. Акча которууларды жүрөт. О номеринин балансын толукта жана ар апта сайын ойнотууга катыш. Баш байге 10 миллион сом. Мой О тиркемесин дароо азыр жүктөп алып, утушка ээ бол.
And one orthodox. A kick to the body is very open and will hurt very well because of the open stance. River should get out from that corner, otherwise Ulu will. Oh, nice left hand by River. Ulu tag a little bit, but nice right hand from Ulu, retaliates immediately.
Keep it clean.
River looking down but kicking up. Ulu, very nice read. River trying to time that perfect left hand counter. Oh my god. Nice takedown defense by River. Trying to slam it, gets the slam. Ulu rushes forward. 15 seconds left on the first round. River has been a little bit passive here on the first round. Maybe trying to fill out his opponent. Second round, so far the round goes for Ulu. River dancing around now on the, trying to do something he had not shown in the first round. Should press Ulu, I think. Ulu wants the fire. Nice right hand block by River. Oh my god, Ulu's charging forward. Left hook, find its target. But River's chin still holding on. Ulu right head kick, very nice earlier in this round. But River aware of that, nice defense. Ulu shot immediately. Very unexpected. Nice combos right there from River. Tag Ulu on the chin. He should try that again. Very precision. and fast hands shown by River. He had that, should have let that go earlier. River still afraid, throwing punches. That precise punch once again finds Ulu chin. River has his moment here now. Oh, nice left hand from the exit from River, but Ulu here. Now River is pressing forward, fighting. Oh my God, right hand from Ulu. Now both fighters throwing 100% of power. Nice timing from Ulu. Very, very good. Now the fight is getting heated. Both fighters shows a very, very good technique. Right hand met River's chin. Nice hand from Ulu. Seconds left on the second round. Both fighters have their moments, but this time
Stop.
River
Stop. Let go.
retaliates
Up.
more.
Up.
Round of the match. River acknowledging that the score is even. 1 round for Ulu, 1 round for River. This third and final round of the semifinals will determine who will move forward to the finals tomorrow. River Oktaviano on the blue representing Indonesia. Ulu Kılычbek on the red representing Kyrgyzstan. Second bout of the day. Nice takedown from Ulu now. We're trying to see Ulu's game plan here is maybe to just took River down again. Oh, nice right hand from Ulu. Looking bad for River. He should let that hands go a little more because he finds success at a whipping leg kick from River. Still pressing forward by Ulu. Time a very good knee, but Ulu just charged it straight in. Ulu's corner may indicating that he will need more takedown. And River should time a very nice knee, utilizing Ulu's level change. And again, nice takedown. Using that whizzer, and once again successful takedown. River is having difficulties here. Ulu's takedown seems unstoppable. Now switching stance. River trying to anticipate the takedown. Every time River switch stance to orthodox, he wants to throw that spinning kick. Oh, now takedowns. But Ulu looking very, very good for the Kyrgyzstani. Nice sprawl from River. 45 more seconds. River should let it all out now. He will need a finish. A very dominating round from Ulu, looking very bad for the Indonesian. River once again unstoppable takedowns from Ulu. Ulu very nice at wasting the time right there. 20 more seconds. Can we get a late knockdown? Nice sprawl from River, but Ulu very nice wrestling. 10 more seconds. River should throw everything he has. Ulu, on the other hand, is hanging on with a takedown. And with that, the end of the match. Takedowns from Ulu on the third may probably will him the round. But River, on the other hand, have a very effective striking shown. On the feet, River is looking beautiful, but unfortunately, the Indonesian has to stop his way here on the semis. Ulu Kılıçbek from Kyrgyzstan will go to the final.